Today, we're going to talk about empowering your SAP data, particularly leveraging SAP data for analytics workloads in a modern analytics environment. Traditionally, SAP customers have been used to the BW applications and moving data from SAP applications into BW for a business warehouse use case. More recently, we've seen many customers create an appetite or have an appetite for moving SAP data into modern analytics platforms, such as cloud-based data lakes or cloud-based data warehouses. So how do we do that? So at Qlik, we've realized that there's a number of things that we have to do to help customers achieve all of their goals. Initially, there's performance and latency requirements. There's complexity with the SAP data model. There's proprietary objects such as CDS views, things that only exist in SAP. And we need to be able to support a variety of methods to normalize and get the data from the application to the data warehouse. So traditionally, we focused on change data capture. How do we get a full load of data from SAP into that data warehouse and also capture the changes in real time to move those changes as efficiently as possible? So with change data capture, we have two methods. We have log-based CDC, and log-based is preferred for traditional databases such as Oracle, SQL, and DB2, but most customers for SAP run on HANA now. And while we support a log-based change data capture for HANA, we also support a trigger-based change data capture. This allows us to capture the changes at the point of commit and move those changes efficiently to the data warehouse. For some customers, if you don't have a runtime, if you don't have an enterprise license of HANA, you have to connect through the application layer. So separate from the database layer, we can also take data through the application layer. And when we're taking data through the application layer, we support three different methods. We support using the traditional extractors, which are what customers would normally use to move data from SAP into BW. So if you have a lot invested in the extractors, you can continue to use those. But separate from that, we also have an endpoint that leverages ODP. And while ODP is efficient, it also comes with some risk and restrictions from SAP in that they prefer that third parties not use the ODP API directly, rather that they take data from ODP using an OData web service. And at Qlik, we've developed a very efficient OData web service that allows us to capture those changes from SAP and efficiently move them into the data lake or data warehouse. So at Qlik, you can see we provide a number of different techniques and methods to help you leverage your SAP data for analytics and AI workloads, thereby empowering your SAP data for the future.